Hello guys, this is Sandeep and welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to add objects in Excel file which can really help while sharing some informations to other with evidences. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe it and hit bell icon for latest updates. So let's start. Friends, as you can see, I have mentioned 4 points. Against every point I have pasted an evidence but in different format. So we will discuss each format one by one that how to paste it. In first point, I have provided the evidence for the statement in the picture format. So if somebody wants to see the evidence of the statement, he or she can double click on the icon and see the image. So now we will learn that how to do this. So first we need to go to insert menu, then we need to go to objects and click the object icon. A new window will open containing different object types. Here we can select different objects. In our first case we have used bitmap image, so we will click this, then we will click the display as icon. Now we have to click change icon. Here we have to enter the name of the image like computer and headphones. Click OK. Now a blank bitmap image file is open. We need to paste our picture here so that it will included in the file. So go to paste, click paste from, then we need to give the address of the picture like it is on my desktop Excel object. We will click on the image and select open. So it will insert in the bitmap image file, as you can see that. So now we will close this paint file. So the object is added. So now we will double click on the icon and see the image. So we have successfully pasted the image. Now we will check how to add an PDF file. So in second point I have referred bills. So here I have attached a PDF file which contains the bill. So we will double click. So the file is open. So again the methodology is same. Go to insert, click objects, select first option which is Adobe Acrobat document. So we will click OK on this, and now we will select our PDF file which we need to paste here. So as you can see that the file is directly pasted with the open image, but we want to add the file like an icon. So what mistake we did, go to insert, click on object, click on first option, check this display as icon. So now the file will be shown as icon. So we will press OK and select the PDF file. We can give the path from the left side of the folders, or we can type the path here. Like if I want to paste the file from the desktop, I can simply write desktop and click OK. So the desktop is open. Now I will open my folder and again the file is there. So as you can see that the difference is the file name. The earlier file is the name with bill, and the new file which we have created right now is named as Adobe Acrobat document. So if you want to change the name of the icon, we will add another file. Go to insert, then object. We will check the display as icon option. Now we need to click change icon option, and here we can change the caption of the icon like bill. We will press OK and OK again, and now you can see that the icon is named with the bill. So in the same way we can add graph and presentation. So we will have a look how to add graph. Again insert and object, display as icon, Microsoft graph chart, then OK. So double click the icon, do the changes whatever you want to change, or we can add the data by copy pasting from the another file and customize the graph as required. So now we will come to the presentation object. So again go to the object, click on the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, display as icon, OK. So now you can see that the blank presentation is open. Then we need to open another PPT which contain the slides. We will select the slides, copy it and paste here. So our slides has been added. We will now close the file. So our presentation is added. So like this way we can add another objects. So if you find any problem in pasting these objects in the Excel file, you can ask question in the comment box. I will surely reply all the questions. So if you find this video useful, so please like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.